Okay, so today webinar, I will show you everything about me, about what made me become #1 loan officers, why, why even now I spend very little time originating, but I still close at least 60 loans a month. Every month this year, I close at least 60 loans every month. Why, I still have so many clients. Why Loan Factory provide a lot of, what we provide to you and what you have to pay. Why we are a better platform compared to many other systems out there. Not only that the support, everything we provide will help you become a better loan officer and will help you compete better. So I want you to compare a lot. Compare Loan Factory versus your company right now. Compare Loan Factory with any company that you know, and imagine that you want to join the best company to help your business. I want you to do all kind of research. And then I will show you our system, our software, our process. I will show you the process. We call that do-it-yourself mortgage. Do-it-yourself mortgage and why it is so good. Okay. And at the end, I will also show you how we move a loan from A to Z, the whole loan life cycle, so you understand how do we process loan at Loan Factory. And at the end, I open up for everyone to ask me questions. And of course, when I talk, if you have questions right away, you can raise your hand and I can stop. I can ask you a question. Please ask a lot of questions. We want it to be interactive and we want it to be very informal. It's just, I have questions I want to ask, yet do not hesitate. Please ask me a lot of questions. Okay. So I will start right now and I will share my screen with you. You see my screen, right?
Yes.
So you see $1,000 lowest rate guarantee right here?
Yes.
So basically, I launched this program and I don't think any other company in America dare to launch this program. $1,000 lowest rate guarantee. So right now we only apply to these 12 states, and here are the terms and conditions. Very simple. The consumer can fill out the information and upload an LE. Then we will tell them if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, they can close the loan with that lender with the same term, and we will pay them $1,000. And we only accept conventional loan, FHA and VA. We exclude the preferred lender from the builder or jumbo loan. So this program is so good because you can use that to promote yourself to your realtor, to your clients, and you can be so competitive. Not only that, but this is how you can build trust with your clients and your realtor that you have the best rate. And anyone, when you join Loan Factory, you can promote this. We only require you to be ready to compete. And a client come to you and want you to honor this program, then they give you an LE. Then you have to be willing to lower your COM all the way to 0 if needed to compete. And in case that we lose, then the company will pay the client $1,000. You don't have to pay. We only want you to be ready to compete. And we launched this program for 1 year already, and we haven't lost any money. So people out there are not willing to compete against us, and which is good for us. Okay. Any question before I move on? So imagine you are at your company and what do they do to help you to allow you to promote? So here at Loan Factory, you can use this program to promote and get more clients. That is just one example that we do to help you. There's many other things that you can do to promote yourself. There's many other programs like the Home Ready First program, Provident Funding will give $6,500 Home Ready First. There's a lot of great program, but then most loan officers are overlooked and don't use it, don't promote it. Okay, you see that rocket right here? They're at 5.875%. The point is $4,075, right? And at the same rate, this is the rate for rocket. It costs 7,400. So 3,400 more. And this is a $500,000 loan. So this is the reason why we choose to work with rocket instead of European. Okay. See, European, the point is a lot more than rocket with the same rate. So this is why we choose to work with rocket instead of European. But the reality is so many brokers and loan officers out there are sending loans to European. And that is completely wrong. You lose out on this loan, you lose $3,500. You see the difference here, the point here, 875 and 4265 here. And that is why Loan Factory will do better than everyone else because we shop every loan. We make sure we get the best rate on every loan. But most broker and loan officer out there, they don't shop. They send loan to European on every single loan. And how could you send your loan to a lender without shopping around, right? And at Loan Factory, we have the technology. We quickly locate the best lender and the best program for the clients. That makes us so much better. And that's, Loan Factory is well known for having super low rate. It's all because of our technology. Not only that, we also have a lot of volume. So we pressure our lenders to give us better rate. Like Rocket Mortgage, they give us 10 basis points special on every loan. And I pass it to you. So here, let me share with you. Our pricing engine, you can see the view is different because this is from the internal view. So here the breakdown. If you click on the lender name, you see the breakdown. The base price, total adjustment here. You see
Just
broker
still
customer.
seeing you.
I'm sorry?
Just seeing the you. I'm not seeing.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to share again. Okay, here, this is our pricing engine again. And if you click on the lender name, you can see the breakdown. And you can see the broker compensation is 1%. I'm sorry. The adjustment down here, we have a broker custom adjustment. The lender Rocket give a 10 basis point special and we give it to you. So at this 6.125, you get this much back. After the adjustment, you get this much. And that means that is the same as lender credit. 1% commission and the closing cost will give you this. So this is a refinance, remember. The closing cost, this is a refinance. So any question about our pricing engine? You can see that we have a non-QM pricing engine right here. So If you need to price a non-QM loan, you can do it. And you can see the pricing right here, 6.99% for DSCR loan. Okay. So you can do both pricing. And all of these are free. You see on the bottom of the result, we show the loan officer to the consumer. So we help promote you to our clients, to the consumer. And if you pay attention, the loan officer have review. So loan officer will help you create a Google account, Google My Business account, and we will collect Google reviews for you. And almost all loan officer will get the Google 5-star review. So for example, I searched in Texas, right? You can see the loan officer in Texas will show up here. And you see all of them got 5-star review, very good review. And we will promote you. We help you grow your business. The client are happy and they give you 5-star review. That's what makes us different than other loan mortgage broker out there. So let me share with you. So when you join Loan Factory, you get the free technology platform. You can access it, you can use it, and we don't charge you at all. We build our own software, including the POS, which is the website. We build a website for you, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. The website can be, you own the domain name. It can be abcmortgage.com. And it's exactly like the main website. Your client can price the rate there and fill our application there. And it's completely free. With other company, you have to pay for a loan shifter, with Arrive, Landing Pad, and all other software. At Loan Factory, you don't have to pay for any of that. I will provide training too. We have weekly sales call. We have every month we have 4 formal training for loan officers. So we have a lot of training and it's free. And you learn from me. You get free marketing support. We have a team of 10 person in our marketing department. They will help you customize your image, edit your video, or help you run a Facebook campaign or Google ads. So, and it's free. And then we also have underwriting support. So let's say if you have a difficult loan, you need to calculate DTI and you are confused, then our underwriter can help you. Our underwriter can help you with non-QM loan as well. So let's say you have a very difficult non-QM loan, you have no idea if it can be approved, if any loan program can fit, or if any lender can take it, then our underwriter can help you. They will help you pick the program, the lender. They will share with you the rate. They explain everything to you. And it's free. We don't charge any monthly fee, no desk fee, no junk fee. And we don't force you to have any minimum production at all. The commission, you get paid 100% commission. You get paid 100%. You get paid 100% commission. You can be 1099 or W2. If you are W2, we pay only 90%. And we set up so that the lender pay compensation is 250 bps. So you get paid up to 250 bps outside of California. In California, it's only 200 bps maximum. You pay a flat fee of $5.95 per loan. So if you don't close any loan, you don't pay anything. You close every loan, you pay $5.95. You also have to pay $500 in-house processing fee. And we also have company lead to provide to you in 42 states. So if we have a loan in these 42 states, we will assign to, we ask loan officer if you want it. And if you want it, we assign to you. These leads are actually a loan. The borrower fill out the application already. So we give it to you, you do very little, and you get paid 25 bip. And the client belongs to you, but you are the loan officer of this loan. And in the future, if the client refinance or come back to you, they are your clients. We also offer up to $5,000 referral bonus. So if you join Loan Factory and you refer someone to Loan Factory, you will earn a bonus. And the bonus, it depends on the production of the referral loan officer. If the referral loan officer close 50 loans a year or more, you earn $5,000. Okay. So any questions so far?
I have a question.
Yes.
This is Alcyon, Buckland Goss. Do you do correspondence lending? Are you a correspondence lender?
Yes, we do correspondent non-deal in 5 states, Texas, Florida, California, Colorado, and one more I forgot. Yeah, we do correspondent. And we are expanding that to many more states.
Did you say Florida?
Yes, Florida, Texas, California, Colorado, and one more. And we added more states. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. So why
I have a
Loan
question.
Factory? Yeah, go
I do
ahead.
have a
Go ahead.
question. I wanted to ask about your platform. Does that include a CRM platform?
Yeah, I will show it to you soon, later.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, hold on, because I'm gonna show you everything. I cannot hear you.
I have a question. I have a quick question.
Yes. Hi, Mark.
So how you doing? Thank you
Good,
for
good.
the presentation. I wanted to ask licensing. So are you just DPFI, or are you able to take people who are NMLS and DRE combined with their NMLS?
Yeah, we take both, either way.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Hmm?
We can handle DRE or the FBI. No problem in California. Gina, I have to pass you. I cannot hear you. I'm sorry.
What is DRE, please?
Department of Real Estate in California.
Oh, there's a California terminology. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So why Loan Factory? Of course, if you when you join a company, you ask that question, right? Why you? Why I have to join you? It's the same thing at your client. When they pick you to help them with their loan, they will ask why you, why they pick you, and you have to answer that, right? And to me, I think it's all about the rate, the service, and the technology. Everything is about rate, service, and technology. If you have all 3, you're gonna win, right? So at Loan Factory, we give you all 3 so that you can turn around and offer to your clients. Our rates are so low that we show it on our website. Anyone can see it. Consumer can see it. Because our rates are so low, we want everyone to see it. And if you go to a lot of lenders, they hide their rate because their rates are so high. So we even have $1,000 loss rate guarantee. So when you come to Loan Factory, we have the best rate. You get the raw rate. We don't keep anything back. The lender give us the rate, we give it to you. We don't keep anything. Excellent customer service. So imagine you help your client and you get 5-star review in all of it. If you look at our record here, we have over 7,200 5-star review. All 5-star review. So yes.
Hey, Tuan, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes.
Okay. So you're saying you're 100%. You guys aren't, Loan Factory's not making any money on the raw rates, just the admin fees and the processing fees. So that,
correct.
I mean, that basically guarantees the lowest possible rates out there. So that's
correct.
That was a question I had. Not a lot of people will own that, so I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm 100% sure I don't keep anything. Whatever the lender give me, I give it to you. And our wholesale and correspondent rate are the same. I want to empower the loan officer. I want you to be happy and successful. So I do everything possible to help you. And you will see that the rate is the best out there. I challenge all of you to beat my rate. I challenge all of you. And then what is better than helping the client make money and the client is so happy they give you 5-star review. So out of my loan, I got 5-star review. Now the same technology, the same process, the same processor, the same support, we all gonna help you so that your client will be so happy with you and give you 5-star review. That's what I promise you. You know, you can be 99% sure that you'll get 5-star review at the end. The client will give you 5-star review. I will show you. All you need, we will help you build your Google My Business account. Google review is the best review out there. Don't go with Zillow. Don't go with Yelp. Don't go with any other. I try all of them and they are bad. Google review have the best reputation. And the technology, soon I will share with you soon, our technology. Okay. So here is our accomplishment. We have almost 200 lenders, this many 5-star review, this many loan officer, and this many state. Compensation here, you get 100%, minus 595 and processing fee 500, which are very low compared to everyone else out there. W2, only 90%. I'm sorry because it's W2. Most loan officers want to do 1099. So you only go W2 when you have to in the 13 W2 state. So in these state, 13 state, you have to be W2. Georgia, Illinois, Maine, Massachusetts, Maryland, Mississippi, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, North Carolina, South Carolina, Rhode Island, and Vermont. Okay.
Hey, I have a question. Can you please explain more about your foreign national programs, like for someone maybe without a credit history and stuff?
Yeah. Let me share with you. We have a marketplace in here, right here on the top, right here. This is the system. I'm going to show you the system from now on, so you can see. This is the marketplace. You click on this, you can see that there's 206 lenders in here. There's 4 lenders that live right now. If you click on that, you can see which person is live. Okay. You can see this loan of this AE. You can talk to them live, and you can look at any lender here. There's all of them are show up in the filter right here. You can select an IT program or bridge or commercial, any program here. Okay. So IT program is foreigner who live in the US that only have the tax ID. That's it. So we have 51 lenders that can help you with the IT program. And you can you click here, you can talk to this Sia right here, right now about IT. You want to ask her now? I can connect you. You want to ask her now, or later on you can come back and ask her. But I myself, I haven't done IT program, but there are 51 lender can help you. So you can do private money loan here, and you can see 27 lender that can help you with it. You can do DSA loan, VA renovation loan. There's all types of lender for all types of loan. Okay. You can search for a private loan, commercial loan, 32 lender. You can do commercial loan. So when you join Loan Factory, you can do any type of loans. You can talk to all of them, or you can even email this lender a scenario. Okay, you click here, you write your email, and you send it out to all of them. See how powerful it is? And then it will get back to you. Like lender finder here, if you go here, you see a loan officer asks a question and people answer it. You see that? There's 7 comments. So we see a lot of people keep asking questions and lender answer it. And that's how we make sure that there will be some lender helping you. So this is a marketplace. When you go there, you get help. Lender here that stay live to talk to you. You can see the review and people are happy with them or not. At Loan Factory here, you can get live support from loan officer, from the support team during these times. You can get live support from underwriter. You can get processor can get support too. So you have underwriter and support specialists here to help you. And if you find out all the department, we have 25 departments to help you. From the loan officer support, underwriting, processor, disclosure desk, marketing. We are here to help you with the phone number and email. You can reach out to us. You can create a ticket. You can join a team. You can see this team here and you say, I want to join this team. You can click on that. Okay. You can join a team or you can create your own team. I want to create my own team. So when you create a team, you earn a commission override on your team member because you help them. Okay. You help them. You can also create a mentorship. You can become a mentor and people can join your mentorship. We have a lot of mentor and team. So that's how we work together. Feel free to stop me and ask questions. Okay. Event here. You can see we have a lot of event.
Hey,
Training
Tuan,
software. Yes.
I got
Yes.
a question. Hey, this is Tim. I met with you this last weekend. It was awesome having a conversation with you. My
Thank you.
question is on your comp plan. When you say that, okay, it's $595 a file and then 500 processing fee. One, do we have to use the in-house processing if we have a processor that we enjoy using? And then number two, how do you deal with credit reports? Is that something that you take out of the LO comp, or is that something that the LO is responsible for?
Good question. So first, the processing, you have to use in-house processing. And we also work with 7 independent processor, like third-party processing company. In case we are back up or we are behind, then you can choose to work with the independent processing company. But we prefer you to work with in-house processor because all of them are good. We don't keep bad processor. And right
Gotcha.
now,
Okay.
all our loan officer love the processing, love the processor. Because our system is so good, our technology is good, our process is good, everything moving really well. Regarding the credit report, we will create an account for you with Advantage Credit. You will pay for it using your credit card. And when the
Okay.
loan is closed, you get paid, you get reimbursement, you get the credit back.
Sure.
Our system allows you, let me show you right here.
So just to make sure I'm clear, which I'm 100% transparent with, and I'm totally understanding, is you set up an account with them with Advantage Credit. The LO has to have a credit card on file per se. If they're going to pull $1,000 off the credit reports, obviously, right, and then they're going to close
Yes,
and get reimbursed for $1,500 or $800, whatever it is.
yes,
Um,
yes,
that's their bill to incur and deal with.
correct, it's
Okay,
yours.
perfect.
Yeah,
Yep, perfect.
yeah.
Yep,
You
perfect.
deal
Thank
with
you.
you deal directly with the credit agency. They open an account, they charge your car, but then the reimbursement is from Loan Factory. When we close a loan, we get paid from the lender. We get money from the lender for the credit report reimbursement. So we pay you back. The lender pay Loan Factory, we pay you back every loan. Okay. And if you see my screen, right? Fire loan officer right here. You see that, right? I want to make sure.
Yes.
Okay, you see Sam Miras, you see Ballard, you see David Kim, right? So Antonio, See Antonio here? He has a website, mortgage@taylor.com. So they see everything about him, and the consumer can click on that. And here is his website. We build a website for every loan officer, and you can have your own domain name. You can feature that with $1,000 loan guarantee right here, and the pricing engine right below. So this is the loan officer website, and you can customize it. You can hide the lender name. You can hide compensation. You can do a lot of customization with your website. But this is the website that for you. The borrower can apply right here, or click on loan application right here, right? And I want to buy a home. I want seller accept my offer. I'm going to show you a process right here. I'm pretended I am a client, right? I fill out an application at Antonio website, right? And you can see here you can see we have AI assisted application. The consumer or you, loan officer, can click here and can drag document here, so that you can drag document here. You know, for example, you can drag document here, and AI will read it and populate the application for you. And when it's done, you can go next. You can go next and finish the application. So we have the technology, we have AI, and the process of filling out the application is so easy. There's only 7 pages, and AI will help fill out most of it. AI will help fill out most of it. Only the first page is AI cannot read it because it's subject property. There's no document to read it, you know. And then you need to say, you need to tell us your purchase price, the down payment. AI don't know this. So basically, this is the loan process. And when you finish the application, the system will read the entire application and request the appropriate documents. So our application, our system will know, or the borrower is self-employed, so we ask for 2-year tax return. We will know that, oh, you have 2 employment. We ask for pay stub for both of them. Or if they are self-employed, we don't ask for pay stub. So our application know all of this, so that we can ask appropriately. And at the end, the borrower will supporting document here. So basically, it's only 6 pages plus 1 page for the supporting document. So the client will fill out the application and upload document for you. Okay. So any questions so far?
Yeah, going back to processing, this is John, by the way, just so I understand the processor, will we have the same processor for all of our deals? Is question number 1. Question number 2 is, can we segment or compartmentalize what we want them to do and what they can expect us to do? Is question 2. And the third question is, in a perfect world, start to finish, how fast can I close a loan?
Good question. So yes, you have your own processor. You work along with the same processor for all your loans. This way you can get together, you can get along. The processor understand you and can work with you. You can request, let's say if you prefer to talk to the client most of the time, then that's fine. We will allow you to talk to the client. But the processor have to work with the client to gather documents, to collect documents. Yeah, there's certain things you can do and you cannot do. But your goal is the processor will help you with almost everything to free you up so that you can focus on bringing more clients. What is the last question? I'm sorry.
Under perfect circumstances, how quickly can we go from start to finish?
2 weeks. 2 weeks. We are very fast. So the requirement, okay, the requirement is, let me tell you the process. First, you talk to the client, ask them to go to your website to check the rate to fill out application, right? You do the initial step to secure the deal, and then direct the client to your website to fill out the application. They fill out the application, they upload the document, right? Then the moment they fill out the application, you get a text message on your phone. Hey, this person fill out application. You got a text message, you log in, you know where they are with the application, right? Then let me share with you the screen. You know where they are with the application. This is a station server. This is not a real a real website. Okay, but I can show you that. You can see that they are 99% complete. That means they are completing the application. And there's 13 to do, which is the condition. We want the borrower to we want the loan officer to expand to borrow. These are the conditions we want from the borrower. Most recent pay stub, tax return, W2, blah, blah, blah. So if the borrower uploaded, you can see it right here. For example, let me test it. So you see it right here. So if the borrower uploaded, you know right away. If the borrower don't upload it, then you see it empty. So you will go here and click on it to open it and review. If it look good, you will clear it. Like for example, you click on it, okay, you can clear it, right? You clear it. So, and then the remaining condition, you can write to the borrower and send it out. You can send out the list of the to-do that you want from borrower, okay, and review and send it out to your client. So that's how we get things done really fast. We track the condition. We know if they haven't uploaded. We write them a message and send it to them to ask them to upload it. And so when the borrower finish the application and upload all the document, you will clear the to-do. You will convert it to a loan. You will also have to go to every page of the application to make sure it's completed, it's correct, it's ready to go, right? And when the loan is ready to go, you will create a rate alert right here, rate tracking. So you will run the pricing, and let's say the rate is 6.25 or 6.125. You pick this lender, or you can expand it. There's a few choices here. Let's say you want to pick new rest, right? You click here to create a rate tracking. And right now the rate has the rate 6.125 had the points of 2720, and you want the target to be 0. So we fill out the email and all that automatically. Everything we done automatically. We save time. We don't want manual. Everything we do it really, it populated automatically. So you create a rate tracking. And after I create a rate tracking, I pick the lender. I will call my client and say, hello, hi, Wilson. Thank you for filling out the application. I have reviewed your application and documents. Everything look good. So now I'm going to send your loan to the lender. We will send to the lender called New Rest. And right now I see the rate is at 6.125 and the cost is 2720. The points. From now on, every morning, you see daily here, right? Email frequency daily. So I'm going to tell my client, hey, Wilson, every day, every morning, can you check your email for an email from me? You will see the rate every day. If you see the rate and you like it, you call me. I will lock the rate for you. If you don't like the rate, we will keep waiting. So I can go here and I can see the conversation history here. And I create rate alert for them. Here's the content of the rate alert. Here's the current rate that I just sent it to the borrower. So every day they will see the rate and they will monitor the rate for you. And they will call you if they want to lock the rate. So, and after it's done, I go back to the application. I will convert it to a loan. It doesn't allow me to convert because I have not reviewed it. That's why it's 99%. I want the loan officer to go through every page it's here and make sure everything good. You have to make sure every page the information is correct. And liability, you have to, let me share with you more. Every page loan info, I'll move it to contact information, borrow information. All of these are fake information. Employment, you verify it, income, everything. Move to access, make sure they have enough money for the down payment. Real estate, make sure they have correct real estate. Liability, so this is really cool. The borrower gives you authorization. They click here, that's it. So we have their authorization to pull credit. This is really cool right here. We ask them for permission to put their number in the do not call registry. And they give it permission. So our staff will go to the process to put their number in the do not call. And therefore, there will be no trigger lead. I mean, loan officer and broker out there cannot call our clients. And that is what we're proud of. At Loan Factory, no one can call our clients. Okay? So this
Ask
is
a
what,
question.
yes,
Can you do a DO or DU or LP with,
Yes.
or, AUS with a
Yes.
soft pull?
no. After, you can do hard pull here, you can do soft pull here.
Are
And
those
then,
Meridian Link soft pulls?
yes.
But if you want a DO, you have to pull a hard pull.
We have to do hard pull, basically, to run AUS.
Okay.
And then AUS right here, you can run it. You can do one click AUS, but it's not finished. The system detects everything. So it said missing credit report. So that's why it won't allow you to run AUS.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after you go through the loan pool credit report, calculate DTI, everything, structure the loan, everything look good, you will convert it to a loan. And when you convert to a loan, you pick the processor. It also be picked automatically because we assign that processor to you. So the processor will proceed to submit the loan to the lender. Here's the loan right here. And on the loan, you can see the loan status, application incomplete, prepare for submission. And when you click on there, you can see the loan, the workflow, every step of the way, what done and what not done. You can see the workflow right here, application incompleted. We have the workflow, prepare for submission. So the next step is we need to rename the file, combine the file, we have to clear to do. Every step of the way we remind. That is why our loan officer and our loan processor have a systematic way to clear, to close loan. And that's why we do it so well. So let me go through the process again. And this process, I call it do-it-yourself mortgage. The borrower check the rate on your website. They fill out application. They upload document. Then you get notified that someone fill out application. You go to the website, you log in, you see the loan, you review it, you pull credit report, you run AUS. It's ready to go, you pick a lender, you create rate alert. The rate alert will go out to the borrower every morning. You will call the borrower to tell them to monitor the rate for you and call you to lock the rate. And you convert to the loan to let your processor process loan for you. And your job is almost done. A day later, the lender approved the loan. The processor will have a meeting with you, go over all the conditions. Make sure you and the processor are on the same page on how to clear each of them. And then the processor will reach out to your client to collect all the paperwork. They will do everything. They will take the loan all the way to fund it. You will get paid. That's it. You don't have to do compliance. We take care of the compliance part. So your job is very little. Basically, let me summarize your job. Because of the technology, we automate a lot. Because of the process of do-it-yourself mortgage, the client do most of the work, and the processor do most of the work. You do very little. You structure the loan, review the loan, the tenancy, and structure the loan, pull credit, run the US, which is all together. Create rate alert. The client call you to lock rate. If they have question about the closing cost, you explain to them. And that's it. That is the process. So simple. We make it so simple that anyone can be a good loan officer. And the borrowers, the good part is the borrower, they see the rate on the website. It's so easy to understand. They don't even ask you. You don't have to explain about everything. What good is the borrower will do everything so that if something goes wrong, they don't blame you. But they're doing everything themselves. Do it yourself mortgage, right? So that is why loan officer and loan factory are very happy. The client are happy. Okay, I'll take a break. I'll take question for now. So let's see who is Nick. Hi, Nick.
Hey, so I've got a couple of questions. The first, I talked to one of your reps yesterday on the broker deals. It sounds like the processing fee and the admin fee comes out of the commission. You cannot charge it to the clients. Is that correct?
That is correct. However, this is
correspondent, you
important.
can.
Yeah, but this is really important right here. Let me explain to you. Some people misunderstand this. It's better this way. Then I know some loan officer want to have the ability to pass on the processing fee to the borrower, right? But that is not good. The reason is the borrower can see processing fee, and they say, "Why do I pay this? That's why there's so many fees." Instead of, there's two choices, right? The first choice is you make 150 bps and charge 500 processing fee. That is the first choice. The second choice is not charging processing fee, but charge 175 bps. And the second choice is better because nobody knows that you make 75 bps. The borrower don't see you charge processing fee and they like it. Both choices have the same result. The borrower have the same deal. You know what I mean? So that's why it's better not to show processing fee.
Sure. So Section A, and if you're not charging any points, Section A is basically blank, right?
Yeah, exactly. It have lender fee and any points. Lender fee is there. We have lender fee.
The lenders, like their underwriting fee?
And 95, yeah, underwriting fee.
Okay.
We can buy down that. If we buy down that, it's gone, but then the rate is higher. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good.
That's
and then
correct.
I imagine you've got AMC relationships, so some control over the pricing for AMCs a little bit, maybe, and then also with title and escrow?
Yes, that's the lender like Rocket, they already negotiate with the AMC for us. For title and escrow, yes, I deal with them, especially for refinance. For purchase, we have no control because the listing agent pick the title escrow company. But for refinance, we work with 𝐿𝐴𝐼𝐿. The fee are super low, very low. And I'm willing to work with any title company that give us the best rate to save money, right? We all have to negotiate. We have to get the best deal. And I think 𝐿𝐴𝐼𝐿 give us the best pricing right now.
Okay. And then final question. Thank you for that. For the correspondent deals, then, are you still selecting a set comp for the core deals, or is that kind of pricing on the fly for each deal? How does that work? And then I guess I was told you could charge a processing there, but then the flat fee to the house is something like $8.95, something like that.
Yes. So correspondent means flexibility. You don't have to disclose, and we allow you to change your comp from deal to deal. So correspondent is the best choice. The only one drawback is right now, loan factory charges you $300 extra on the loan because there's high risk on the company because the loan is under loan factory. There's high risk and more cost because we have to have extra staff to deal with the post-closing, and we have to pay interest on the loan that we borrow. So
Yeah.
that is the
Understand.
reason why we charge $300 extra. However, I'm in the process of eliminating that. In the near future, I want all of our loans go to correspondent so that we have more flexibility and I don't charge you any extra. Yeah.
Cool.
Those
Thank
are
you.
the only difference. Those are the only difference. Same price. Wholesale or correspondent, we give you the same price so that you can compete. Yeah. Thank you, Nick. Thank you. So look like you know a lot. You do a lot of homework already. And I want you to do a lot more homework, and I always want to be the best. So if you see any any broker out there have anything better than me, let me know. I'm very competitive. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Hi, Angela.
Hi, and I go by AJ, but thank you. My name is Angela, though. Is United Wholesale Mortgage a part of your lending?
No,
I
because of the ultimatum, they
Okay,
force us to pick one lender, either
okay.
them or Rocket. And
Ah,
because I am a broker, I don't
okay,
want anyone to tell me what to do.
that's
That
right.
is the first reason. The second reason is the rate are consistently higher than Rocket. I showed
Okay,
you earlier. The rate are higher, and why would I want to work with a lender that have higher rate? A
right,
lot of broker and loan officer out there choose to work with UWM because they don't have a system and good process in place. And that's why they have
right,
to rely on UWM. But Loan Factory,
right.
we are good. We are good. We're not afraid of that. So that's why we rather pick the lender that have the better rate to work with. And Rocket is
Okay.
better.
Yeah, I
So
agree with that. Yeah, good
yeah,
information.
it's a little more about Rocket. Not
Mhm,
only they have good technology and good process, they are fast. They also give us the best pricing. If you
mhm.
find any broker out there have better pricing than us, let me know. They also give us 21-day free extension.
Oh,
So almost guarantee that you don't have to pay extension fee.
okay.
Almost guarantee. Yeah. And they also give us free credit upgrade. So let's say if you pull the credit and the credit score is 690,
Uh-huh.
you can submit a loan. And at the same time, you click a button to request them to help you improve the credit score. And then 2 weeks later, the loan is approved. The credit score went up to either 700 or 720. Then
Mm.
they will apply the better pricing for your client because the credit score is better now. So they do that for us and it's free. They help our client to improve the credit score for free.
Who's that
That's
investing?
that's lovely. That's lovely. It sounds
Yeah,
like, and,
yeah.
you know, and I did a little research on Loan Factory because I'm actually a senior underwriter as well. I'm also a loan officer, but I'm wearing my loan officer hat. And I'm hoping that, you know, I'll be able to use my underwriting knowledge, you know, for as assistant, maybe a SME or something in the future with the company. Because I do this for fun. I love it. I love what I do.
I
So
love, and yeah, talk to me. If you join Loan Factory, I would love. Right now, I try to come up with a way to empower everyone. I want to
okay.
create a community where we help each other in the company.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, I love
yeah,
that. I love that. Because right
thank you.
now, what I'm doing is I'm actually helping loan officers structure their loans, especially new ones, not even just new loan officers, but loan officers that have a hard time structuring what they call difficult loans. I do it for fun. I don't even get anything out of it, but I figure, hey,
Thank
since I'm
you.
doing this, let me go ahead and renew all my license and get back out there. Yeah.
Thank you, Angela. That
Thank
is
you. I'll
great.
talk to you soon.
Yeah, I love your attitude, your mentality, because when you help others, you will become a much better underwriter or loan officer. And that's why we have mentorship uh, and team. You can be a team leader or mentor. You get paid from your mentee or your team member. But I love helping each other. That is the right thing to do. Thank you, Angela.
So I
You're
have a
welcome. Thank
question
you.
on the comp plan real quick. On the comp plan, is it lender paid or borrower paid?
It's up to you. You can choose lender pay, or the lender pay you cannot change. If you pick lender pay, it has to be 250 bip on every loan. In California, it's 200 bip. You cannot change that, and because of that inflexibility, most people will switch to borrow pay and lower your comp, lower the commission. That way, the pricing get better. So almost all loans at Loan Factory, we do borrow pay.
So if it's borrower paid, is it a combination of rate and the borrower paid percentage that gives you your total comp plan?
No, it's simple. It's difficult to think that way. You should not think like that. You think like that. It's very simple. The more you make, the higher the rate the borrower have. You know, the lender give you a cake. If you take out a lot, then there's a lot less for your client. So your client have to pay higher rate. But if you take out very little, then the borrower get more credit, and that will help their rate better. So if you want to compete, if you want to give your client better rate, then you make less. You make 100 bip or 50 bip. Then your client will get better rate.
How do you,
that's how you think.
I understand. How do you approach the state-funded DPA bond loans?
Yeah, some of the program like that we can do. Some of the program, they don't work with broker. They only work with direct lender approved by Fannie Freddie. But if that is the case, then there's no way we can work. We do have the Texas program and many programs. Yes, we do have a lot of those programs. Yeah, thank you, George. Thank you. Hi, Jima. Hello,
Hi, yes.
Jima.
Hi, yes. This is Jamar. Thank you.
Yes.
And a lot of good information here. One of the questions was already asked about the borrower paid and lender paid. So thanks for answering that question with George. I do want to get a little bit more details on the DPA programs, more specifically for the state-specific programs. I'm from Florida. So right now, I think the funds went out already, but there's a very popular program every July called the Hometown's Hero. So are you guys doing that?
Yeah, we have that. Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
We can do that. Yeah.
Awesome. Okay,
if they have the fund, yes, we can do that.
Okay, great.
It's not on the rate sheet though. If you put it in, you know.
Yeah, it's not on the rate sheet. Hi, Allison.
So I just wanted to circle back to you. You were talking to AJ earlier, or Angela, and not Angela, the person before Angela, and you said that Loan Factory will be going strictly correspondence lender.
We will move to correspondent because of the flexibility.
So like,
but then we still do broker. We still a broker. We still a broker. We still wholesale. There's nothing changed. It's just more option for us.
So you'll be doing more of a correspondence lending, not going strictly you'll be doing more of a correspondent. You will do doing more deals where you you fund the loan at the table and then
collect
your fund afterwards. Okay.
Because with refinance, let's say rate keep dropping, there will be a lot of people refinance. And with refinance, in order to provide no point, no cost, we have to do correspondent. Because if we wholesale, if we select borrow pay, then they have to pay us. There's no way we can do no point, no cost. So that is the problem. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. I'll see you on. Thank you.
Hey.
Hi, Mark.
Hey, how you doing? I do have a question. You mentioned Rocket, and I work with Rocket currently, and this is in regards to the credit report. So Rocket offers, like when I'm doing to do a verified letter of approval with them, and I know I'm going to go with them, I just let them pull the credit. And is that an option you have to do that you have?
Yes. Yes. So two things with Rocket, I forgot to mention. First, if we submit loan to Rocket, we can pull credit with them. It's free. They pay for the credit report. Secondly, they do TPD approval or verify approval. So for all pre-approval, we should send it to them. They can verify. The underwriter will review and approve for us, and it's free. So that's why Rocket is so good, and we love Rocket. A lot of people love Rocket. They do a lot of things for us, and it's free. Yeah, thank you, Mark.
Well, one other question
Yeah.
so is your system able to, like, if I have 3.4 files that you can upload into your system?
Yes, yes. You can do that. I'll show you in a moment. Yes,
Okay.
easy.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Larry.
Hi, I have a question on your pricing engine, just that's on the lenderrate.com, the demo site.
Yes.
When I was trying out different scenarios and stuff, and like when it comes up with, if you select Rocket Mortgage, it says the broker comp is limited to 0.884%.
Yes,
and,
because right here, let me see. Why is it?
and that's going borrower paid.
Yeah, you can control the compensation. You will control it. Let's say here, broker compensation here. You control this. You can set it up in your website. Say when the borrower go to my website and quote,
Right.
this is how much I want to make. So you can adjust this.
Right.
Every loan officer can adjust it on your website.
Okay. Yeah, that was my question. I didn't know if that was just set on the demo site or if that's it across the board. So it's just on this
No,
demo
this is
site.
demo. This is
Okay.
the demo site. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Everyone have, because everyone have different expectation on the commission, right? Someone want to make 50 bips, someone might want to make 200 bips. So we allow you to customize your site and enter how much you want to make here.
Right.
Okay. And
Yeah,
you
I was
can
just
adjust it. Yeah.
I was just asking that because when on the demo site, if you select borrower paid as a compensation type, no matter what you put in there, it still defaults to the set
No,
limits.
it's a change.
Okay.
It's a change.
Okay.
So let me show you right here. You see it right here.
If you go to borrower paid, right?
Right here, borrow pay right here, 1%. You see that, right?
Yep.
You see my screen? So I can choose to change to 1.5
right,
and code it. Okay. And then you can see, I click on the lender name here, 1.5.
But it's so that says broker compensation there. When I was doing it on myself, and if I've picked somebody that happened to have, like the compensation, broker compensation, or this maximum compensation was set differently for each lender. Like,
Might be because of the demo side we didn't set up correctly. So don't worry about that.
Okay. That was my only question.
No,
I did have one other question regarding the rate engine. I know that you guys will build a free site and it's on, you can have it on that site and everything. Can you have the pricing engine on additional sites? If you have different sites you've built for marketing purposes, can you put the pricing engine on a different page, like a landing page or a different site?
Yeah, we have widget. If you go here, it's the website here with all the feature here.
Right.
So I can put a widget there. Let's see. My screen is different than your screen. Yeah, there are widget for you.
So you have so you have pricing engine widgets that you can use?
Yes.
Okay,
An application widget, pricing engine widget. You can put it on additional website if you want to. There's many widgets that we created.
Okay.
So let me share with you more. So marketing material. We have tons of marketing material for you. You can do loan officer here, $1,000 loan guarantee here. Welcome someone jet funded. A lot of material, and these are your picture, your information will show up. You can do a cold marketing with your flyer with the realtor. You can promote the realtor. You can promote a holiday. You can promote a review. Let's say you click here, generate the review for you. If you get a review from your client here, today I got one here. Yesterday I got one. You close the loan fast. You can generate the review. You can post a rate here, generate today's rate right here. You can use it to promote it. There's many things. You can select the state. You can customize. There's a lot that you can do. You can promote a refinance rate, a purchase FHA, which is very low. This is just a sample. It's actually a lot lower.
Yeah.
Click here and see a 5.625 right here. You can use that to promote. We automate a lot, and there's a marketing image. All of these, you can see the rent, the home ready first here.
Right.
A lot of program for you to promote. And every week, loan officer asks our marketing team to create this image for them. And we will send it to all loan officer every week. Let's say we send it out on Friday, say, here are the images that we generate during the week. Did you like it? Click here and we will customize for you. So we do that so that you have a lot of material to promote on social media.
Okay.
Here we have a database to keep track of your referral realtor. So you can create a list of your referral realtor. You can track how many you refer to them and how many they refer to you. You can track the relationship. You write note. You can create a follow-up flag so you know to follow up with them. So let's say you have 100 realtor, and every realtor you have a follow-up flag. So you click here. Every day you know that, oh, you need to call this realtor because it's time to call. This is escalation ticket. If you need help from support team or marketing team or credit upgrade team or project team, customer service, underwriting, you can create a ticket and they will help you. So let's say you create a ticket and you can, if it existing transaction or not, you can pick an underwriter. We show you the turn time is 4 hours. So you can write your message, what you need help with, and they help you. So we have an escalation system. We have team and mentorship here, where you can look up and join them. Your commission here. When you close a loan, you go here and click on it and request a commission. If there's no loan, then you cannot request. If there's a loan that's funded, you can request it and we pay you. So easy. You can track them all there. Mailing list is super good. This is one of the biggest feature that helped me become #1 loan officer in the country. It helped me contact my client here, lead, loans, and prospect. And we have 31,000 contacts. I just sent an email to 31,000 contacts who are my previous client or lead. And I told them that rate have been dropping so low and they should refinance. And I give them one scenario where they can click on it. Here, let's say this one, I send out to an email. I can see the detail or statistic. I can see the statistic and detail. This is the content of the email. So I can review it. So mailing list is really powerful. And you can have a dynamic list, a static list. A static list is just a CVS you imported. A dynamic list is from your actual database from the system. And it grow. Let's say today you have 100 clients. So you have 100 people in the contact. A month later, you have 10 more clients. So it become 110. So you have more contact. It keep growing.
Can you export those into your own?
Yes. See the Vietnamese lead right here, it's dynamic, so it keep growing. I'm Vietnamese, so I have that list you can export right here.
Okay.
See that? So it's very powerful, and you can combine many lists together to create one big list. That's how powerful it is. You can do email drip campaign. So let's say here, holiday campaign. All of my clients will get the holiday email. Say happy New Year, blah, blah, blah. The referral realtor can get that too. I have a whole up campaign, like the annual anniversary or the closed loan anniversary here. If the lead purchase, I turn it on. You can turn it on. You can say you can turn it on. You can add more campaign, more date, and more email here. So closing agent, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Training, we have an academy for new loan officer and for even existing loan officer to learn a loan life cycle at Loan Factory. We have many best practice. So we have many classes to train you. It's free completely. We have subscription right here. We have newsletter subscription. We track it. We track who's unsubscribed, who's in the contact, what are the newsletters that go out. You can do that. You can have a subscription, newsletter subscription. And then there's a lot more. For example, okay, here we have learning center. You can write article and publish it on your page. You can do lead funnel. You can create in 30 seconds. I create my Facebook one plus lead funnel, lead lot funnel, 1+ in Spanish, in Vietnamese. There's a lot of different today rate page funnel. I can promote a VA funnel. So you can do a lot of different type of funnel. And it's easy. If the funnel can be created in 30 seconds. Like for example, this is one funnel, loanfactory.com VA funnel. And let me show you that funnel. You see my screen, right? You still see it, right?
Yes.
So here's the VA funnel. Veteran Affairs loan. No down payment, no private mortgage insurance. So you can promote this page. You can create it in 30 seconds and then promote it on Facebook or social media. Say, hey, veteran, you want to see your rate? It can be 5.25% right now. You know, get their attention. If they click on it, take them to this website and they answer it.
So those are like landing pages on your main website that you build, right?
No, you can create hundreds of these landing pages.
Yeah,
These are funnel. If you look at Lending Tree and Bankrate, they use this. They have a lot of funnel. They capture lead and they sell it. And you can do the same. We provide you the funnel for you. You can capture.
Are these standalone pages, you know, that are created, or do they attach to your website that you built?
Standalone. No, it's attached to your website. Remember, we create a website for you. Let's say you call it ABC Mortgage, right? So you have a website we created for you, abcmortgage.com. And then when you create a funnel, you give it the extension VA funnel down here.
Right.
And that's it. You can create hundreds of them.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah, you can create hundreds of them. We have a lot more. I just afraid we don't have time, but the funnel, when people answer, it go to your lead page, the lead page right here.
Perfect.
And you can work on the lead page. So at Loan Factory, we have three pipeline: leads, prospect, and loans. So you can work on leads and then try to move them to prospect. Prospect means borrow, fill out the application. So let me take more questions. There's a lot more. And, you know, it's been 1.5 hours already. Yeah, please ask me more questions. Hi, GE.
I'm sorry. I was going to ask you real quick, the CRM that you
Yes.
just showed. So in all of that, do you have people that help you with setting that up and can train you how to?
It's easy. And you can go to Marketplace. Our support team will be live and talk to you and guide you to do every step of the way. It's free. We help you. We have support person to help you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Tuan.
Yeah, hi.
Okay, I have several questions. For first, maybe it's not in order, but I have several questions. When you issue a disclosures, who do that? The lender or we?
The processor will take care of that for you. You don't have to worry. The processor will submit the loan, issue the disclosure, and do everything to take the loan all the way to funding. That's why at Loan Factory, we do a lot for the loan officer. You do very little. We only want you to bring in the business and make money. That's it. Yeah.
Okay. When you say that you have better pricing, let's see, to understand a little bit, when you go in Loan Sifter, you have a pricing. That's broker pricing. Let's put it that way. You got better pricing than the one I can see a Loan Sifter, or is that what it is?
Yes, I challenge you. Go ahead and compare Loan Shifter versus LoanFactory.com.
No, I don't want to challenge. I'm just asking, is better your pricing that the Loan Sifter shows or not?
I think they may be the same. I don't know.
Maybe
I don't know.
same.
Loan Shifter is so general. Loan Shifter is so general. At Loan Factory, we get the rate from our lender. And,
Okay.
lender give out different rate to different brokers. You know that too.
Yes, I know. Okay,
Yeah.
so now another question is, do you have offices around the, like in California, for example, or do you don't have offices? Everybody work by themselves, or how you guys work?
Almost everyone work remotely. We do have an office in San Jose and Orange County.
Okay, and then when you do correspondent, you don't get better pricing than the broker. That's the broker pricing, or
Same pricing. Same pricing.
Do you have several correspondent sources, like, I don't know, Rocket Pro?
Right now, we only work with Rocket Pro. We are
Okay.
adding 2 more lenders, Newrest and Car Lending.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty much. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you. Anyone else have any question? Please ask.
Okay, I
me.
fixed it.
Good. Hi, Monica.
So I'm not clear about the comp. How much can we charge with Rocket Mortgage, for example?
You can charge.
Lender pay.
You can charge. If a lender pay, you will make 250 bit.
Okay, so 2.5%.
Yes.
Okay. And
Outside
correspondence?
California, same thing.
So how much in California? I'm in California.
200 bit.
Okay, 2 points. Okay. And then if I go correspondence?
Same thing.
Same thing, 2 points.
We keep everything really simple.
Okay, and is there a max?
That is the max, and the max is $20,000
Oh, okay, 20K.
alone. Yeah.
All right, that was
Okay.
my main question, and then
Thank you.
yeah, that's all I had right now.
Cool. So
Hey,
yeah,
I have
hi,
a question about the pricing. So you just can charge 2 points. Why you cannot charge more or make more than 20,000?
we feel that is already difficult to make, right? It's difficult to make more than 200 BIP or more than $20,000.
Well, if you charge 2 points in $1.5 million, it's 30,000. No?
I just feel that it's a lot already, and it's difficult to reach that, to make that much. Plus, a lot of, and sometimes there's EPO. And based on my experience, when you make a lot of money, you're happy, but when there's EPO, you don't want to pay back. And imagine you make $30,000 and there's EPO, you are likely to walk away and not paying back. And that's why we don't want that to happen.
But
that's why we have to cap it.
But you can charge one at front and one in the back, like a yield spread and at 1 point, no? That's
No.
Charge 2 points and that's it, no?
Yeah, no, that's it. We
So that's how you
keep
make
it simple. We keep everything simple. I don't make anything extra. I only make the flat fee. You make 100% commission.
Not because you make or not. It's just a question based
The
on
question
the
is
market.
you have the question is it have to be either lender pay or borrower pay. It cannot be both.
Okay. Well, let's say you charge as a borrower pay, but you can get yield spread, so that can go towards your borrower.
There's no such thing. There's no such thing that borrow pay and you get paid in yield spread. There's no such thing. We cannot do that.
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Mark.
Hey, John. I have a quick question. I have found lately in this market, and this I haven't done a lot of equity loans up to the last like 12 months because a lot of my borrowers are like in 2% loans and whatnot. And I found that I'm doing some equity lines, and of course those are going to be like the minimum I can do is like 50,000, but more like 100,000 or even or maybe 300 some. Those loans though that are very small, it's like, do I still have to do a processing and the how do you gauge that? Because I'm not really making anything if I'm doing a
Yeah, for those loan, we almost make nothing. We know that the commission is low, so I think we charge only $100.
Okay.
And no processing fee, something like that.
Because I
Very
process those on myself usually. I just let and then you'll balance that out if you're doing some things. And really, I don't really market for those, but I just lately it's just the state of the industry right now, you know.
Correct. And that we understand that, and that's what I think we charge only $100 total, something like that. Very little. Yeah. Hi, Alan.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm just curious, who sends out the disclosure? Is there a disclosure required after 2 or 3 days after the application, maybe before it goes to the processor?
We will make sure we send out a disclosure within 3 days, so you don't have to worry.
Within 3 days of the time I start collecting the documentation, or it hasn't been turned over to the processor yet? And you said processor does the disclosures. If I haven't turned it over to it yet,
yeah, 3 days of 3 day of application date. 3 days after we receive the full application, and by definition, full application means we have 6 pieces of information. So we cheat in the system a little bit. Our application won't collect the full social security number. That way, we don't have the social security number. That means we don't have the application. And when borrower send us everything, then we will use their tax return or pay stub to look up their social security number and enter it. And that's when we have the application.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, we cheat it a little bit. Otherwise, we run into compliance problem.
Great. Yeah, that's what I was concerned. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, thank you, everyone. I really enjoy talking to all of you. I hope you understand more about Loan Factory. You know, whatever I've done it correctly, and it helped my business grow to become the #1 loan officer. And I want you to do the same. I want your client to be happy with you. And the bottom line, if your client happy with you, you are successful. If your client are not happy with you, you are not successful. So if you do a loan, you don't have 5-star review on every single loan, you're not good enough. So if you join Loan Factory, one thing I can promise you for sure, I promise you many things, the technology and the processing and all of that. But then I promise you that you will get all 5-star review, and you can start growing that database. You can share with everyone how many 5-star reviews you get. And not only that, to help get new clients, but the existing client will be happy with you, and they will come back to you. Hi, Jima. Hello, Jima.
Yes, I'm here. Sorry.
Yes.
Just a quick question. So I'm not sure if I missed that part, but you said you also had some lead generation. So if we do get one of the leads, first of all, how does that work with the leads? And number two, how does the compensation work with the leads if you're providing the lead?
So in 42 states, I used to do loan in all states, but later on I pulled back. I want to help you. So in 42 states, when I have a client, we will text it to the loan officer. So when you sign up with Loan Factory, there's a question, do you want to receive lead? And if you say yes, we know in the state of, let's say, Nebraska, how many loan officers willing to work on lead. So when we have a lead in Nebraska, we send it out to those loan officers. And whoever you receive a text message. And if you respond faster, you get it. And we pay 25 bps for that. Not a lot, but if the relationship building, you have that client, you own that client for future business, for future refinance or whatever. And you do very little to earn that 25 bps. Yeah, thank you, Jima.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
thank you.
Thank
you, everyone. So I hope that you learning something, and I hope that you really think hard for your business. Try to improve it. Make sure your company right now offer you either the same are comparable to Loan Factory. You make sure you receive a lot of benefit from your company to help your business. So that's what I want. If not, then you should join Loan Factory. That's what I think. You know, you should go with the best to help your business. And I think we are the best. We are improving. We're getting more and more to help you. So feel free to talk to our staff. They will reach out to you to get your feedback. And if you have questions, you can ask them. If you want to meet me, I'm okay. I have time to talk to you if you want to talk to me. Okay? So thank you, everyone.
Hello.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thanks for all
I'll
the
talk to you
info.
later.
Thank you, Tuan.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.